Welcome to our channel. Today we how to subscribe with Webflow for CRM landing pages. Easy tutorial step by step clearly. Start by navigating to the Webflow website. Log into your Webflow account or sign up if you don't have one. Once you're in your dashboard, click on the New Project button. Choose a template or start with a blank canvas, depending on your preference. If you selected a template, review it to ensure it fits your needs. Once you're ready, click on the Create Project button. After the project is created, you'll be directed to the Webflow Designer. On the left panel, locate the Add icon represented by a plus sign. Click on the Add icon and scroll down to the CMS section. Drag the collection list element onto your canvas. Now, click on the Add Collection option linked to your collection list. Choose a collection type that suits your CRM landing page needs. Customize your collection by adding fields like name, email, and phone number. Once your fields are set, return to the canvas and select the collection list. In the Settings panel, link your collection list to the newly created collection. Design your landing page by adding text and form elements. To add a subscription form, drag the form block element to your canvas. Customize the form fields as per your data collection requirements. Ensure to include a Submit button for easy submission. Once your design is complete, click on the Publish button at the top right. After it's published, view your landing page live to verify everything is working correctly. Finally, test the subscription form to ensure it captures data appropriately. And that's it. You've successfully created a CRM landing page with Webflow. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.